अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम आपका नया चैप्टर ऑन टू द समिट वी रीच द टॉप दिस वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट टुडे। एज यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ समिट। समिट इज़ नथिंग बट जैसा चोटी होती है, पहाड़ की चोटी जिसको बोला जाता है, इज़ कॉल्ड एज समिट। सो ऑन टू द समिट वी रीच द टॉप, यानी कि हम समिट पे वी रीच द टॉप, हम टॉप पर पहुंच गए। वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द चैप्टर एंड द टॉपिक और द टाइटल ऑफ द चैप्टर वेरी वेल, देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अवर चैप्टर. I hope you understood what's the meaning of summit now. Okay, it is clear. So now we will move. The very first is the introduction. Tenzing Norgay, 29th May 1914 to 9th May 1986, known by birth as Namgyal Wangdi and often referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. Mountaineer means who used to climb on the mountains, who used to go onto the mountains. For example, who rides the bike is known as biker. The same is in the case who used to go into the mountains is known as mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which he accomplished with Edmund Hillary on 29th May 1953. As you can see in the picture, the person is Tenzing Norgay. He is a Nepali person. He is known as a Sherpa mountaineer, and he is the first person, or there were two people. The first is Tenzing Norgay and the second one is Edmund Hillary, who went to Mount Everest to reach there, and they completed this task on 29th May 1953. On to the summit. Now we will start. Now see, you can see in the table honors, which types of medals is given to Tenzing Norgay. Medal, honored means honored by some government, and for means what is the task or what is the work for which he is honored. The first one is Tiger Medal, 1938, Himalayan Club, 3rd Everest Expedition. Second is Star of Nepal, 1953, King Tirubhuvan, all accomplishments. Third is Padma Bhushan, which is the very highest honor, in 1959, Government of India, all accomplishments. Now see, Tenzing describes the climb to the top and all events occurred during the historic climb. The article also describes what brought him to climbing mountains. Now see, we will see in this articles or in this chapter the journey of Tenzing Norgay. As we have already dealt with the one chapter and one poem is done. Kindly read this or see the videos whatever I am sending to you, otherwise you are not going to understand Urdu or English very well. Check it what I am teaching. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please answer or please question on my WhatsApp window. If you have any query, have you written any type of question and answers in your notebook, then you can send it to me. I will check it and then I will again send it to you. Okay, so now we will start our chapter. On to the summit, we reached the top. When we left camp 9 on Friday morning, I was determined to get to the top on this day. That morning I remember thinking. Now see, as you know very well, wherever we go onto the top of a particular mountain, we build a type of camps or tent house. Mostly camps. So summit is the highest point of the hill or mountain, as I said. What is it mean by summit? Summit is nothing but the highest or choti जो बोलती है, पहाड़ की चोटी. Okay. When we left the camp, I was very sure that determined means very firm. मैंने पक्का इरादा कर लिया था कि आज मैं क्या करूँगा, get on to the top of this day. आज मैं ऊपर जाकर ही रहूँगा. That morning I remember thinking, I was to get to the top even if I die. Tenzing Norgay was thinking that anyhow I want to go to the top even if I die. I was not afraid to die that day. I was very much determined on that day that I want to go to the top, whether I will die or whatever will happen to me. I was very sure on that day. We set our early and all the way from Camp 9 to the peak we alternated. Now see, on that day we were very, we means why? We means all the team. Tenzing Norway, the person and the cameraman might be there, and one person might be there. So 3 or 4 people always there. Na? So I was very sure on that day. I would take the alternated means changing places. From this place to that place. I would take the lead, and then Hillary is his person who is with him. The man who follows when climbing has a difficult job both in climbing up and climbing down. Whenever you are going onto the hills or highest peak of a particular mountain, you need lots of things. You need to walk a lot, because वहाँ पर आप with the help of a plane you cannot go, with the help of a helicopter you cannot go. You need to walk and go. So there are oxygen levels also which makes hurdles, and there are other things also. The climate changes, क्योंकि हर तरफ ice होती है, there might be more changes which may be difficult for you. So me and Hillary both decided to climb up and climb down with the help of Itaja. He is the anchor. The man going in the lead cuts the steps and breaks the way. As you know, when you are going up, there are particular types of knives like that, things which you check that there is water or not, this place is good for us or not, all these things. In my pocket I had 4 flags. Tenzing Norway is telling I have 4 flags in my pocket at the time. When we were still at Camp 4, Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags, those of Britain, the United Nations and Nepal. I was having 3 flags with me, Britain, United Nations and Nepal. He charged me with the duty of planting them on the top of the world. Mr. Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags, and he said me to charge all these flags onto the top. These 3 flags are in your care, he said. And while giving these 3 flags, he said that all these 3 flags I am giving to you, and you need to take care of it. When you and Hillary reach the top, put them at the peak. I am sure that you and Hillary are going to do it. Colonel Hunt, what he said? That I am very much sure, Tenzing, that you and Hillary will definitely go onto the peak of that mountain, and whenever you will reach the peak, please kindly put them. आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी किसी पीक पर जाते हैं तो आपको झंडे लगाने होते हैं, ताकि फ्लैग लगाना क्यों होता है? इट इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक दैट यू बिलोंग्स टू दिस कंट्री एंड यू हैव रीच द टॉप. अदरवाइज आप गए और आ गए किसको पता चला? नो ना. सो यू नीड टू गो, यू नीड टू पुट द फ्लैग्स ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंट्री फ्रॉम वेयर यू बिलोंग्स, एंड देन click the pictures, and then you can come back. Okay. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me, and I would like to be on the top with the other flags. Now, as I said, he was carrying 4 flags: Indian flag, United Nations flag, Nepali flag, and the third and the fourth one is of Britain. इतने कंट्रीज़ के फ्लैग थे मेरे पास, and I said I would like to be on the top with the Indian flag. I had to ask Colonel Hunt's permission in his capacity as leader of the expedition. Expedition means किसी खोज पे जो गए थे आप, उस पे मुझे जाने के लिए मुझे किससे पूछना पड़ता था? Colonel Hunt से. Indian flag? Colonel Hunt said, by all means I am glad to know that you brought an Indian flag. He said, okay, Indian flag? Okay, it's okay. After 1 hour steady going, we cut across from the south face and started up the west side, where we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. After continuously going, we reached one rocks, and we need to cross that rocks. There was nothing barring our way to the top but a snow covered incline sloping less and less as it neared the top. So there were snow that is sloping. Sloping means slanting up or down. Slanting जो ऐसी होती है, like that. So sloping. Okay. So I was what to do now that whole the thing is covered with snow. पूरी snow थी यहाँ पर. So that was very difficult to reach for them. Okay. I will stop here. From here this much is done. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. Allah Hafiz.